Hello friends, I welcome you all to this video. Today I am with a question from algebra series, some of the series which is asked in Olympiad maths as well as other maths related competitive examination. The question is, a nth term is given to us. We have to find the reciprocal of sum of reciprocal of first 20 terms. That means evaluate 1 over a1 plus 1 over a2 up to 1 over a20 if an is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 by n whole square plus square root of 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square when n is greater than or equal to 1. That means we'll start from n is equal to 1, then we'll go up to 20. So for that I can't write all the terms. First I am simplifying the nth term. If an is given as square root 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n whole square plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square, then I'll write the reciprocal of it. 1 over an is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n whole square plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. Now what is its conjugate? Its conjugate will be only the here negative, because I have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the conjugate. So both in the numerator and denominator we have already seen in many questions. So its conjugate will be, I am writing in the numerator, please take care, 1 plus 1 by n whole square minus square root 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. This is the conjugate of the denominator. So denominator will be also multiplied with this. So previously it was 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n whole square plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. I'll multiply with 1 plus 1 by n whole square, and in between here it will be negative sign, square root of 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. So the reciprocal of nth term will become, numerator will be, for this step I am writing as same, you may simplify this, square minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. Now let us see what is the denominator. Denominator will be a plus b into a minus b. That will be a square minus b square. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n whole square. There will be no square root, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n whole square. And here this will be the, because they will be subtracted. So see the denominator, this 1 will be cancelled, they will be subtracted. Then a plus 1 by n whole square minus 1 by n whole square. You can simplify, but I am trying to write directly, applying the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is always 4 times of ab. So I'll write the denominator 4 into 1 by n, that will be 4 by n. Okay, so now 1 by nth term is equal to, now I am simplifying the numerator. Numerator will be square root 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n square plus 2 by n. Here also square root 1 plus 1 plus 1 by n square minus 2 by n. And the denominator is now how much? 4 into a into b, 4 into 1 into 1 by n. This will be 4 by n. Or you may simplify this to get this one, 4 by n. So this n can be taken to the numerator. So this implies that 1 ratio 1 over a by n is equal to n by 4. N by 4. And here I am simplifying. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And this is 2 by n. So if I take the LCM, it will be n square, 2n square plus 1 plus twice n. And here it will be minus, of course there is square root 2n square plus 1 minus 2 times of n by n square. So if we'll take this n square out of the square root, it will become n. This will also become n, which can be cancelled with n. So this implies that nth term reciprocal will be 1 by 4. Here it will be 2n square plus 2n plus 1 and 2n square minus 2n plus 1. This is our nth term. It cannot be further simplified. So then we'll go for all the terms and we'll take the telescopic sum. First is 1 reciprocal of a1. This will be 1 by 4. So I am taking time to put the first term because there it is a complicated, it is not that simplified term. So if I put 1, it will be 2 plus 1, so square root of 5. A1 means I am putting n is equal to 1. So here 2 minus 2, it will be square root of 1. Next I will go for reciprocal of A2. So it will be 1 by 4. When I will put 2 here, it will be 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, square root 30. And if I put 2 here, 8 minus 4, 4 plus 1, 5, square root 5. So we are getting a similar term, 1 square root of 5 positive and 1 square root of 5 negative. Then it can be cancelled. Let me write another term to understand better. So if I'll put 3 here in place of your n, the 3 square is 9 to 18 and plus 6 plus 1, it will be square root of 25. And here if I'll put 3 square 9 to the 18 minus 6 plus 1, it will be root 13. So square root of 25 minus square root of 13. Up to we have been asked about 820. So it will be 1 by 4. If I put 20 square here, then it will be 400 plus 2, 800 plus 20, 841 minus, here will be 20, 800 plus 1 minus 40. How much it will be? it will be 20 square 400 800 minus 40 760 plus 1, that will be 761. So now time to take the sum. So 1 over A1. So I took some time for calculation. In the examination, we should not be hurried to finish it quickly because it is not a sports. You will run and you will win. Here you should make the things correct. So it will be 1 over 4. Here square root of 5 minus square root of 1 plus square root of 13 minus square root of 5, so on. And you are getting last term will be square root of 840 minus square root of 761, which may be cancelled with the here. So all the terms will be cancelled. Only square root of 1 is left and square root of 841 will be left. So the sum will be S20 is equal to 1 by 4 square root of 841, which is 29, minus square root of 1 is 1. So this will be 1 by 4, 29 minus 1. So 1 by 4 into 28, it is a 7. So sometimes the question is asked to prove that it is an integer. Yes, it is an integer. So S20 of this question is 7. I hope you have enjoyed, you have learned. Thank you for watching.